Welcome back, Physical Science 20. This is the 11.2 study guide. I'm going to go through part of it with you, and of course leave you some to do as well. The true and false here. Some of them can be a little tricky, so I'll go over most of these with you. So the isotope hydrogen one is used as a standard for a relative scale of atomic masses. So if you recall in the 11.2 booklet, carbon was the standard that is used. So that is in fact false. The mass of an atom of helium is 4 AMU, 4 atomic mass units. So if you look at the periodic table and helium, 4 is in fact what the atomic mass would be for helium-4. The mass of 1 mole of hydrogen atoms is 1 times 10 to the 23 AMU. No, if we have 1 mole of hydrogen, that would be 1.0 grams per mole. So that is in fact false. The mass in grams of 1 mole of any pure substance is called its molar mass. Yes, that's true. If we have 1 mole of any substance, look at the periodic table. That number there represents grams per mole, the molar masses. Excuse me. Number 5, the atomic masses on the periodic table are averages of the isotopes. If you recall in our booklet, that was in fact true. So they're not whole numbers, they're decimal numbers because it's an average. And the molar mass of any element, its number is equal to the atomic mass in grams. So yes, those periodic table masses are relative masses to each other, but if we were to take a mole of that particular element, we could represent that as a molar mass, grams per mole. That is in fact true, so that's a key point to note there. The molar mass unit is moles per gram. Nope, that's backwards. Grams per mole it should be. And if the measured mass of an element is equal to its molar mass, then you have counted that many atoms in the measurement? Yes, because that's how many you need in order to have a molar mass. Okay, to solve these problems, so we did some conversions in the booklet there. So simply, what conversion would you use in each of these questions? I'm going to let you do this, but there's some here that are 2 conversions. So if you recall the Y chart there, some of them are 1-step conversions, some of them are 2-step conversions. So there could be 1 answer here or 2. Find the number of moles of 23 grams of zinc. So we're going from grams to moles. That's going to be 1 step, so 1 answer from over here. Mass. So we're looking for G's, and we're starting off with zinc atoms. So that's atoms to moles to grams. That's going to be a 2-step conversion, so you should have 2 answers over here. Find the mass of 2 moles of zinc. So that's moles to grams. That's a 1-step, 1 answer answer there. Number of atoms when we have 7.4 grams of zinc. So we're going from grams to moles to atoms. That's a 2-step conversion. Then 13, find the number of moles if we have this many zinc atoms. So that's from atoms going to moles. That's going to be just a 1-stepper. And lastly, number 14, find atoms when given moles. That also is a 1-step conversion as well. So there you go. That should help you out, figure that out, whether it's a 1-step, 2-step, and then from there. And once again, set it up here and your units cancel. The units you want to cancel off should be on the bottom. The units you want to end up with will be on top. Okay, hopefully you can finish that assignment now.